It's easy to see why Sniper 2 is the most popular EFI conversion on the market. And thanks to popular demand, we're expanding our Sniper 2 HyperSpark bundles. First available only with the Bluetooth module, these kits can now be purchased with your choice of either a 3.5-inch or 5-inch tuning interface. Sniper 2 HyperSpark Ignition Bundles are being offered for small block and big block Chevys, as well as the 8.2-inch deck small block Ford. Bundling can help you save big bucks compared to purchasing the components individually. Sniper 2 offers the latest innovations, eliminating the common excuses surrounding EFI conversions. Sniper EFI simplifies the install process and highlights the advantages of using EFI, offering better fuel efficiency, enhanced throttle response, and an increase in power. Our Sniper EFI bundles offer you the choice of our tried and true 3.5-inch tuning interface, or you can choose our larger 5-inch interface. Either way, you're a winner. Thanks to our full-color touchscreen interfaces, you'll be able to navigate the startup wizard, monitor engine parameters, and fine-tune calibrations, all from the touchscreen and without ever having to connect a laptop. The 5-inch digital dash comes ready to plug and play with your Sniper 2 EFI system. The digital display is preloaded with 3 easy-to-read screens that provide a quick view of critical system information. And thanks to the included magnetic GPS antenna, you can monitor your vehicle's speed without any complicated wiring or conversion boxes. Each of our Sniper 2 HyperSpark bundles includes a Sniper 2 throttle body to replace your carburetor, a HyperSpark distributor, HyperSpark 2 ignition box, and a HyperSpark coil. These kits come standard with our Power Distribution Module, or PDM, which was specifically designed for use with the HyperSpark ignition system and makes wiring a breeze. Bundling also allows you to add a master inline fuel kit or choose a bundle without the fuel system. These bundles are our most complete Sniper EFI conversion kits that Holley has ever offered. Thanks to Sniper 2 and HyperSpark, your complete EFI conversion package is now just a mouse click away. To get your hands on a customized Sniper 2 EFI and HyperSpark Ignition Bundle, visit us at Holley.com.